This video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how to void a sales transaction on the XE-A307 register. So you may have processed a transaction incorrectly, or a transaction that you now need to void because the customer cancelled the order but you cashed it off for whatever reason. The first thing to do is to know exactly what you want to void. So there's quite a few ways of actually seeing this. So if the transaction I want to void is one I've just done, so it's actually still on the screen, so I can see that it's £80 for no spin, and no spin is a £20 product, so I know that I just need to refund that item 4 times. Alternatively, you should, if you haven't already got a receipt, you should be able to print out a copy receipt. So there we go, 4 times £20, no spin, which will make sense when you see me process the void. You can look on the journal roll, so on here you should be able to feed the journal roll until you see the last transaction you put through. Of course that's all well and good, but it might not be the last transaction, so you may need to go further back. It might be at the end of the day and there's a problem with the till take-in, so you might have to physically take the journal out and have a look at it and spot the mistake. There is another way as well. There's a button here that says EJ View. That brings up my last transaction. And if it's like that was 4 lines of the transaction, so I can scroll through it to see the total. The way the EJ View works is you keep pressing it and it will go back through each transaction. There is a limit to how far it will go back. I can't remember exactly how many you can go back, but so there's many ways of seeing the exact details of the transaction you want to void, and of course you may just know it already. So without any further ado, I'll show you how to actually do the void. You press the mode button, arrow to line 3 void mode, TL and S to enter, and now you just enter the transaction. So for me, the one I wanted to refund was 4 lots of the no spin book. And then you cash it off in exactly the same manner that you process the sale. So mine was a cash one there. So I've got a receipt printout saying void mode, and that will be recorded on the end of day report as well. So the idea is that your void cancels out the mistaken incorrect sale that you put through. Okay, I hope that made sense and was helpful. There's other videos on how to use and program the 307, some of which appear on screen now. You're welcome to watch those. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.